Morning. Friday. Yeah, Friday. Going to work for one of the local counties. I think I got a foot on my stump. Anyways, at a regional park. Supposed to be doing some ditch banging, but ditch is underwater. Nonetheless, I will be grinding some stumps today. It's been far too long. Over a week I haven't ground a stump. It's not good for me. I start going nuts. So, pretty pumped. I gotta grease everything this morning too. You guys grease in the morning or at the end of the day? I like both. So I do whichever one's more convenient. Bandit still got some awesome graphics on it. And our boy Clark still over there in third place. Sorry, buddy. Keep working. Maybe you'll make it up to second someday. So, you a weirdo? Yeah? Oh, yeah. Killed mice. It's probably gonna rain. That's right. We'll see you in a bit. So 2 stumps at this job are bad. Like, the stumps are fine. They're in really bad spots. River, sand, silt, soft, nasty. Good chance the machine is going to get stuck. What would you do? Do you do, and then there's like 10 or 12 like little straight easy ones. I want to do the big gnarly one. Just let's get the day started with some excitement. But if I get stuck out there all day and I don't get the other ones done, that doesn't make sense either. So I guess I should probably do the small easy ones and then save the gnarly and stuff for later. But there is rain coming, and if it rains anymore, the ditch is going to get way worse. I think I'm going to do the easy ones first. So at least I make something today. This is going to be exciting. Coming soon. What are we gonna do? So this is like probably the safer way. I think that I'll either grind that or run it over, but I would like to bring the tires straddling this gap. I'll have the tires come down there. It'll be a little wobbly,
And then we're going to cross over the little river here. A little bit of water to make it a little bit slippery, and then good way out. A little steep, but on the rock I'll have plenty of traction, and then from there and go around. So that's probably the way I'm gonna go. And then from there rally through here. The one issue with this side is there's a very deep trench under these willows. So I was walking and I fell in it earlier, and I'll probably end up smashing a bunch of this. There's a definite hole in there for these two stumps, and so somebody was in here with a masticator and they cleaned up a little bit. They took a bite on this thing but backed off. So big hole, a lot of willows. That's a possibility. Come in this way, that would probably be the best. I let this sit a bit, hoping it would dry. This is a mix of sand, gravel, and like really silty, soft mud. Definitely feet are sinking. That's probably not going to work. But I had thought about driving over through from the sidewalk through the little ditch there, then across that gravel bed with the sand, and then try and run it up. But I don't think that's going to be my way. This is really soft. This was under a couple feet of water yesterday. So what do you think? Is that the way to do it? I'll never get across that mud. That is quicksand. That hole is like 2 feet deep. That mud is not going to let me through. That mud is not going to let me through. Let's take a look just to make sure. No. Hard no. Okay. So we are going to do some bushwhacking and try and get through this little hole that's in there. But I guess we're right in between those two. Who knows? Let's see what happens. That's a wrap. Pretty good day. That was a fun stump. So it's Friday. I'm working tomorrow.